Mango Diversity Show, organized by Lieutenant Amit Singh Memorial Foundation in collaboration with Biodiversity International, inhibited more than 200 cultivators and products from across the country. There were entries of exhibits from farmers and institutions which were adjudged for prizes. His Excellency, Governor of Karnataka, inaugurated the Mango Mela. Mango Mela was really a great for the visitors. Almost all the varieties of mangoes were displayed here. His Excellency is pleased to see some of the rarest breeds of mango. His Excellency looks curious as he is watching over some of the rarest breeds of mango. Dr. S. Ayappan, DG ICAR, also visited the stalls of Mango Mela and exhibition and finds it one of the best presentation of unique mango breeds and excellent inhibits. Technical session of National Conference on Horticulture Biodiversity for Livelihood, Economic Development and Healthcare begins, which was organized in 9 sessions, where experts in the field provided their thought, which was discussed. Dr. Bhuvan Stuffit, Regional Project Coordinator, Biodiversity International, New Delhi, delivered speech on tropical fruits, good practices and livelihood in the content of in situ conservation and sustainable use of cultivated and wild tropical fruit diversity. Dr. V. A. Parthasarthi, Director IISR Calicut, presented his views on the topic of utilization of horticulture diversity for improvement using conventional and modern techniques. Technical session on the topic of role of institutions and biodiversity conservation was chaired by Dr. Prem N. Mathur, South Asia Coordinator, Biodiversity International, New Delhi. Dr. Suresh Heblikar, ECO Watch, NGO Bangalore, presented his views on role of NGOs in conservation of horticulture biodiversity and livelihood security. Technical session on the topic of non-conventional approaches for biodiversity conservation was chaired by Dr. D.P. Ray, Vice Chancellor, Odisha Agriculture University, Bhubaneswar. Dr. S. K. Sharma, Director NBPGR, New Delhi, presented his views on the topic of IPR issues in relation to plant genetic resources of horticulture crops.
And it became necessary that we must try to protect our material.
Dr. K. V. Peter, former Vice Chancellor, KAU Thrissur, chaired a session on horticulture biodiversity management. The chairman of 7th Technical Session, Dr. P. Ratnam, former Executive Director APCC, talks about economic development through biodiversity management. Dr. P. L. Gautam, Chairman, National Biodiversity Authority, Chennai, chaired a session and shared his knowledge in the seminar. Dr. Ramnath Rao, HRF Biodiversity International Dome and Adjunct Senior Fellow at TRI, Bangalore, shares his views on biodiversity in underutilized crop species and their development. Dr. S.B. Dandin, VC UHS Bagalkot, also shares the dais and presents his view. Dr. Anil Kumar, HOD, G.P. Pantnagar, University of Agriculture and Technology, Dr. S. Rajan, CISH Lucknow, Dr. H. Ravi Shankar, Director, CISH Lucknow, Dr. M. M. Mustafa, Director, NRCB, Trichy, Dr. Anand Raj, Project Coordinator, Spices, IISR, Calicut, Dr. R. T. Patil, Director, CIFIT, Ludhiana, and Dr. M. M. Anwar, Director, NRCC, Ajmer, shared their views and provided technical inputs. Here is the most interesting event, the question-answer session. Queries of farmers are being clarified by various agricultural scientists. Farmers who put the best question and scientists who participated in this function gave their best and were appreciated for it. All the chairpersons, speakers of national conference were facilitated by organizer of Show-Swadesh Prem Jagriti Sangosthi for their contributions and inputs in the conference.